So, welcome back. You know what I mean? I still don't got no intro or nothing, but we gonna work it out. You know what I mean? But today, I got something very special for y'all. Very special. You know what I'm saying? I'm here with my sister. You know what I'm saying? Her name is Dorothea. She don't know, but she's adopted. She don't know that though, but don't let her know. But look, I asked her earlier. I said, yo, you trying to film a video with me? She was like, yeah, but what are we doing? Told her I'm gonna tell her when we start filming. I still haven't told her yet. You guys probably see it in the title already, but she don't know. So before I tell her real quick, we doing whatever my idea is for sure?
Hell no. I already told you if it's something weird, I'm leaving. Come
on, look, but you got all dolled up. You put your makeup
Nigga,
on.
I told you if it's something weird, I'm walking out of this room.
You put your face on, you ready.
Are you gonna make me do some weird shit?
No. So look, this is what we gonna do. Alright? You know, it's like, as you can see, she wanna put all her makeup on and stuff like that. So first thing I need her to do is go take all that makeup off.
Nah, nigga.
I need her to wipe it off.
Nah,
cause today, what we gonna be doing is, I'm gonna do her makeup. Cause I gotta show y'all bitches out there how to really do makeup. Cause y'all be coming here looking scazy. So I'm gonna show y'all what it's really about. I'm gonna show y'all how to get your eyebrows on fleek, lips popping, right, you know what I'm saying, the right contour, my nigga. That's why I be looking so goddamn sexy when I leave the house. You know what I'm saying? That's what we gonna do. So
I fucking hate you. Yo,
go ahead.
There's no such thing as wiping it off. I have to go wash my face.
Go do it all. Man.
Fuck a fucking
you know what I'm saying? On some time right here, okay? Oh shit. Alright, she got everything washed off, you know what I'm saying? Her face is naked right now. So it's all good. She's mad. So let me get y'all, let me start y'all off with what y'all really supposed to do, right? So like I said, after you get your face naked, what I like to do is, right, we got all this makeup and stuff in here, right? We got bags on bags, you know what I'm saying? Maybe it's Maybelline. But I like to just stick my hand in the bag and grab something random. Cause like, I feel like when you do that, that's how you start the best. Like kind of like when you wake up in the morning, you just look up at your ceiling and yeah. Nigga. So look, so this is what we gonna do. We gonna go in the stuff is falling.
Yo, you know I have bad skin.
We're going in there.
Shit up.
No, I'm not, cause
that's the good
Yeah,
shit.
so,
yeah.
So we got Fenty Beauty. You know what I mean? I don't know what that is.
By Rihanna.
I know what it all is. Oh, this the
by Robin Rihanna Fenty.
This is like a toner, right?
No, it's foundation.
That's what I said.
No, okay. You have a girlfriend. You don't know this shit?
Nope. Listen.
You gonna do that with your hand?
Ain't that what you supposed to do?
You're not gonna be able to get it off. I put a brush in there for you.
She don't know what she talking about, bro. I got this, man. You gotta get the right feel, alright? You gotta use your fingers first. So look, that's what we gonna do.
Are your hands clean? Did you wash your hands? My face gonna break out. Ew, you fucking nasty.
I was about to. Alright, give me a second. The hands is washed. It's time to go in, alright? So let me tell y'all the first mistake y'all basic bitches be making. What y'all do is, y'all just use this little teeny bit, right? Y'all just take a little dibble dabble. It's not what you're supposed to do. And then y'all do the whole face. Let me show y'all.
That's expensive. That's expensive. That's expensive.
Let me show
That's expensive.
Listen, let me show you, right?
Yo.
See, this is what you gonna do, right? You see these two fingers?
Don't drop it on the floor.
Look, you do this, right? Boom. You see that little dabble? You can't. That's why you need more. Ooh, there it is. Yeah. You see it? Look like doo-doo? Alright, so this is where you start. You start on the forehead, right? But you gotta.
Oh.
You know what I mean? Once
it's on my pants. What's wrong with you?
Listen, the pants was too black anyway. You know what I mean?
Come on, dog.
Stop. Just let it work. Let it work. And once you get it nicely rubbed in and blended, you know what I'm saying? You gotta hit a little bit on the chin like this. You know what I'm saying? Like war paint. You know what I mean? Alright, so boom. So now that we know where we started with the forehead and hit the chin.
You're not gonna do the rest of my face?
Since we started with the forehead and hit the chin, now we're gonna move on to the next thing, alright? What I like to do is...
You're not gonna rub this in? You're just gonna let it be wet?
It's rubbed in. Next thing I like to do is, since we started there, I like to move on to the nose area. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna grab your brush, okay? And then you're gonna grab your nose candy, alright? Concealer. You're supposed to, see, y'all be trying to match the skin colors with the makeup. What you're supposed to do is, you're supposed to, you know what I'm saying, do the opposite. So that way it shows off your features more, you know what I mean? Like, you ever been like walking down the street and you seen a green car with pink rims? Don't you turn your head and go, damn, that's crazy? That's what I'm saying. So we gonna hit the pink, alright? Dabble that bitch. Eat like that. A little more. You know what I'm saying? Once it's on the brush, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna start here from the top, the bridge of the nose. Come all the way down. Just like that. Yeah. Watch my technique. Then you hit this. Whoop. And then a whoop right there. Alright, so we got a whoop whoop. You feel me? You gotta make sure it stands out. Cause if it don't stand out, yeah, there it is.
I'm not like these rich beauty gurus. I don't have all the money to replace the shit that you gonna fuck up today.
But you can, I'm saying, when I'm done with this, you could probably keep it on for a week. If it look good, why not keep it on for a week? That's what I do. Next thing's next, you know what I mean? We did the nose, we did the forehead and everything. You know what I'm saying? We laid down that foundation, you feel me? We gonna have to do something about the eyes. Them eyelids, they look kind of fucked up. We gonna fix those. Oh yeah, she got good taste. That's why she got all these colors. But look, so we got our brushes, we got our palette. Another thing, like I said about the whole not matching the skin tones, we also shouldn't match your eyelashes. Because if you match them, it's too many bitches do that. You're supposed to be fresh. You're supposed to be rejuvenating niggas out here. Not seeing what you look. Not having them go, oh yeah, I seen some girl with two brown eyelids the other day. No, we gonna hit it up. So this is what we gonna do.
Two brown eyelids.
Listen. It looks like she don't never use this green. So
I just got this. This was a gift.
So it looks like she don't never use this green. So we gonna hit that up. We hit with the looking like money, boy. Oh. Shit. And you see how I'm going close to the eyebrow? Because you gotta get close to the eyebrow so that way when you wanna make it on fleek later, you already got your outline, alright? Now so this is what we gonna do, right? Look how far I'm coming. You gotta give her the wingtips. If she don't got the wingtip, look, so what you gonna do? Hit it with the whoop whoop. Come out a little far. Not all the way yet. Watch how I freak this joint. Watch how I freak it, y'all. We gonna hit it with the Respucia right here.
Respucia?
Right?
You mean fuchsia?
That's what I said.
Oh, okay.
Oh shit, look at the blend. I thought I had to get the dust off. Now, as you guys can see, go ahead, give them a close up.
Oh yeah, keep that shit style, grace.
Right. Now it's time for the left eye. Hit it with the ooh-wee.
I regret every decision after that.
Yo, who gave you this makeup?
Becca.
It was a nigga?
No, I don't have any male friends other than you. Unless I work. You ain't gonna be nobody's fucking ass. Calm the fuck down.
Alright, now we're gonna hit the wingtips again. Watch this. Yeet.
I hope I can fly away with these wings.
Blend it in a little more on that side. You know what I mean?
Eyes on fly.
Blend it. Yeah. Alright. So eyes is done. Oh yeah, you know what I'm saying?
They look good.
It's subtle.
Are they fleeky?
Something, you know what I mean? Boom. What is this?
Am I allowed to talk?
Soup.
I don't know your rules.
I already know it all anyway.
Oh, alright, nigga, fine.
This is called Some Like It Hot. Yo, my camera don't never focus on shit. This shit happens. So this is for the cheeks. You know what I'm saying? This is where you get your contour popping.
Do you know what the word contour means?
It's a bird.
That's condor.
Alright, bet.
Why you trying to make these niggas think you dumb? You ain't that dumb.
I'm actually super smart. That's why I know what contour means.
Condor is a bird.
Look, we on the cheeks now.
Oh.
See, what I like to do is I like to give it that war paint feel at first. You know what I mean? Kind of like almost as if you was about to get a first down at the Super Bowl.
Yeah.
So you need this right there.
For which team?
The Eagles.
Nah, fuck that. Take this shit off. We don't support the Eagles around here.
That's love.
Nah, fuck the fucking Eagles.
Alright, we back. We had some technical difficulties, you know what I'm saying? My memory card filled up. We right back where we left off. I was trying to say that I try to keep these short, you know what I'm saying? Because when I do my makeup, I keep it short and sweet. You know what I mean? So we're gonna hit this with this real quick. Yeah.
Would you approach me on the street if I was a different person?
Huh?
If I wasn't your sister, would you approach me on the street with this makeup?
Nigga, you gay. Last but not least, gotta hit the lip. Sorry, I forgot to contour the eyebrows.
That's not true. Okay.
This is for the eyebrows. This is called Big and Daring Volume Mascara. Get the shape popping. And you know you gotta have that little bend in the brow.
Oh my god.
Every girl needs the
That felt so violent.
Every girl needs the bend. It's stabbing you?
I mean a little bit, but
call the cops.
Okay.
There's been a murder. And the murder's the makeup because I just killed it. Ooh, alright, so since we did the eyebrows now we can finish off with the lips, alright?
That's the color you want to go with?
Yep.
I gave you all options.
I know you gave me a lot of options, but the thing is, this is the best one. Listen, if you look at everything else she got on, this one match perfect. Now let me tell y'all final mistake when y'all be doing your makeup. When y'all put y'all lip stuff on, what y'all do is y'all do it on the lips. That don't accentuate the lips, you know what I mean? That don't draw the eyes there. What you gotta do is you gotta go around the lips. You know what I'm saying? Cause that draws it in. And what I like to do is make a little sad face. So that way, when you smile, you don't got that resting bitch face. So we go around, and then we give it the sad look right there. Yeah. And then we hit that spot right there. We hit that right there. One more thing though. For you bitches out there that got mustaches, I'm about to help y'all out. Which is what y'all need right here. Autumn mineral powder, okay?
That's gonna get everywhere, just so you know.
That's not what you need. Look, what you need is Avon Super Extend Mascara. This don't look sharp. What you gonna do is you gonna cover the mustache up. So that way, it's like you're not trying to hide nothing from nobody, you feel me? You being a real one. This is what we gonna do.
Fuck, I don't have a mustache.
I think this John's dead.
No, I just don't have a mustache.
Nope, I don't think that's what it was. You know, we gotta try something else. Boom, here it is, Color Pop. You know what I'm saying? If you need the little code on the back, it's I7J4, Cream Girl. This is what you wanna do, man. You wanna make sure your finger nice. This John feel like Play-Doh. Once you got it in your finger, that's what I'm saying. Cover up the stash. Cover it up. You know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna look like Hitler.
Nah, not at all. Whoop, 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 whoop.
How am I gonna wash this off?
There it is.
I don't have any makeup.
We're done. You're done now.
I don't have any makeup.
The thing goes pop, 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 pop. Let me get y'all this closer real quick. Shit, I'm dropping shit. Oh. Look at this. And everybody, now that the makeup is done, this is the finished product. You know what I mean? And as you can see, you can go out to any club like this. Any club.
I love it.
Right. You gotta put that on the gram or something.
I look real good.
Damn. Anytime y'all need, you know, any more tips or tutorials, just let me know. I got y'all. You know what I mean? Until then, you know, like, comment, subscribe, write down what y'all need me to do next, what y'all need to learn. And I got you, you know what I mean? She owe me $60 for this.
Nigga.